Full disclosure, I bought the DIY tool with my own money and I use it all the time. I like to do a lot of projects around my house. I'm always hanging something. You can see the art behind me, that mirror, even that storage unit that I have directly on the wall. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Walabot DIY 2. It is a stud finder and wall scanner that uses raw radar data to scan the wall for metal studs, wood studs, wires, cables. It also has a mode that switches to the heat map interface to scan for anything that might be living in your walls. If you get the DIY 2, you want to make sure that you have an iOS device or an Android. That's what it pairs to. You only need Wi-Fi during the initial registration phase of the device. And after that, you can use the Walabot with any smartphone, even ones without internet access or a SIM card. When the DIY 2 is scanning your wall, it's going to track things that are 4 inches to 10 centimeters deep in the wall. The DIY 2 can be charged with any USB-C charger. It comes with one, but if you have one around the house, feel free to use that one as well. That's the thing I like about this DIY 2. It finds metal, it finds wood, it finds wires, it finds pipes. I can't imagine what pipe damage would be like. The expense has to be crazy. It has a few steps of pairing. So after you turn it on and open the app, you want to make sure that you pair them together. And then you're going to calibrate it on the wall in a circular motion. Takes about 5 seconds, and rotate it on the wall. And as you're doing that, eventually it will give you that check mark, and then you'll be able to see everything in the wall. I had a hard time in the past trying to find the studs in the wall. I know you're supposed to knock or use a hammer or something like that. I was just never able to do that consistently, and this just gave me peace of mind completely. You know exactly where they are, you can see them, you can also even aim for the center of them. It's very consistent, it's easy to pair and calibrate, even the battery lasts a long time. After about 1 full charge, the Walabot can be used for 3 hours of continuous usage. If you're using it for minutes at a time, more casually like I often do, the charge is going to last a month or so. The DIY 2 has like a plastic exterior. I would say it's about the size of an Android or iPhone. I think that's by design that it's made that way. And it feels very comfortable in the hand. When you're looking at the different options for the DIY 2, you can get it separately, just the device itself, or you can get these magnets, and it's like a MagSafe. It connects to your phone, and you can literally put your phone and attach it directly to this and hover it over the wall, which is nice. You can see everything in real time. It also comes with a carrying case. The Walabot DIY by itself on the website is about $200, but there is a deal for $189 currently. It's just giving me confidence for anything that I'm trying to do around the house. If I'm unfamiliar, if I'm in a new space, if I'm helping someone hang something, I know exactly where the studs are. Hitting a wire, hitting a pipe, damaging your walls. It's just not a thing that I think about anymore. You don't have to look up 1,000 YouTube videos on how to find a stud and which beep and which light and all this stuff. Just eliminate that stress. Find it, see it, hang it. Done.